All right. Let's go ahead and get started. We're looking at the date. Today is April, and it is the 29th day of April. Let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Days of the week. Days of the week. Clap, clap. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Clap, clap, hands stop. Clap, clap, stop. Let me hear you. It's Sunday and it's Monday. It's Tuesday. I can't hear you. Days of the week. 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 And today is Thursday, April 29th, 2021. Let's take a look at our pattern. We have some flowers and some clouds. So if we start right here on the 11th with the flowers, say the pattern with me so we can figure out what's going to be on today. Ready? Here we go. Flowers, flowers, cloud, cloud. Flowers, flowers, cloud, cloud. Flowers, flowers, cloud, cloud. Flowers, flowers, cloud, cloud. Flowers, flowers. Not flowers. What is it? Clouds. That's right. It's rainy. And it really is rainy outside today. Tomorrow is our Friday. All right. We predicted sunny weather today. Is it sunny? No, it is not. Is it windy? No, it's not windy either.
Rainy.
It is rainy. Boo. Rainy weather for our Thursday. What about tomorrow? What do we think for Friday? It can't. All right, my friends. Touch your head. Touch your nose. Touch your ears.
Listen to what she's telling you.
Touch your mouth. Hands together and in your lap. All right. Someone sitting quietly, Miss Sunny, make a prediction for us.
Miss Sears.
Let's hear it, Miss Sears. What do we have tomorrow? Sunny. Friday, we're going to predict some sunny weather. Now we're all going to say the alphabet together. Is everybody ready to say the alphabet? Here we go. Let's sing it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. I can't hear you. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X,
Listen to Miss Melinda.
Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, ready to count 15? All right, hold your hands up high and wiggle those arms. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Touch your knees. Touch your knees. Touch your chin. Can you touch your chin? Where's your chin? Find that chin. Touch that nose. Where'd that nose go? Hands in lap. Good listening. Now you're ready to count. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, we're counting backwards from 8. Let's do it together. Here we go, starting at 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we're looking for some colors. What color is this right here? What color is my horse? Pink. Wonderful. What
Aries
color?
and Hayden, you should be paying attention.
What color is my fish? Orange. What shape is green?
What shade is green?
Oval. What shape is this? Oval. What shape is brown? What shape? What's the name? Rhombus or diamond. I can't hear my friends here. Let's try one more. Everybody, what shape is pink? Thank you. What shape is this? Heart. Excellent. Our nursery rhyme this week is London Bridge. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. It's a cat. Cat starts with C. And who's this? It's a clock. His name is Cogsworth. He also starts with the letter C. Let's stand up and sing about where we start those letters. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Wanna start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. Letters, start your letters at the top. No, it's the bottom. Middle. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Yes, it's the top. Reach up. Reach out and touch the top. Going down. Reach down. Down we go. Way down. At the bottom. Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters at the top? We get Oz. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Going down. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? All right. Okay. Now, the Magic C has a special song that goes with it. Ready? Let's see. Whoop. I got it. I don't think I got it yet. It has a Magic C song. And it goes a little something like this. Make a Magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That Magic C looks good to me. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That Magic C looks good to me. All right, so the Magic C starts at the top, and it's a big curve. It goes around, and then it stops at the bottom. Okay? Can you sing that song with me? we ready? Here we go. Let's give it a try. Make a magic C, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Stop at the bottom, look and see. That magic C looks good to me. All right. And, all right, thank you so much for joining us for Circle today. Bye, everyone.